Okay, so this feature is absolutely insane. So think of this like having a co-pilot, having a creative director working right beside you. Every single image you generate, AI creative director will give you recommendations, what you can do, how you can make that image better. So if I click on this image and I want to edit this image, okay, so I click on the edit button, what AI is going to do, it's going to recommend me better copywriting options, different layout and composition options over here and different scene settings. And they are not random recommendations. These are the recommendations which are coming from directly, from the reviews, the market intelligence from your listing. So these are very smart recommendations. For example, let's say if I wanted to make this image better, take a look at this. The second recommendation, it says add a third icon, which is reef friendly to fill vertical space on the right side. I mean, two things. One, it's recommending me a new feature that I can add. Second, it's telling me that we can fill the extra white space. That's amazing. Over here, it's calling add a non-greasy callout badge near the top of the bottle to address key drivers. So it's talking about adding a non-greasy call out. Let's take a look at some copywriting options. So for it's already suggesting me six different headline, subheadline, and supporting text options. Right now, the image says ultimate sunburn protection. Maybe you may like it or you may not like it, but you can easily change that. For example, tough on sun, kind to skin. So I really like that one. And the subheadline is dermatologist tested and hypoallergenic. And the supporting text, it's also giving me new options. So what I do, I click over here and it just becomes editable. If you want to change it, tweak it, you can also make changes, and all you need to do is just click on generate. Within few seconds, you will have new image based on the new image recommendations. So I changed the copy there. Maybe let me play around and listen to what AI is saying on the back. So for example, maybe you know what? Let's go with the reef friendly badge. So I click over here, click generate, and it is going to generate a reef friendly image. It's going to add a reef friendly badge to that image. Maybe few more smart recommendations. So I would go to scene and settings. So let's say um, it says add a mist. Okay, that's one. Change the background to poolside instead. Okay, so it's a beach. Let's maybe create a new version of poolside. So I click over here, click generate, and now this is going to generate a new image next to the poolside. So I, it will give you really smart recommendations based on on your market intelligence, your listing, your competitors. It's like having a co-pilot working right next with you. So let's wait for these images to come up. All right, so this was the image before. In the next version, we changed the copy, tough on skin, kind, tough on sun, kind to skin, and we added a non-greasy badge as well. Take a look at the next version, just from the same one. It added a reef-friendly badge next to it. Let's take a look at the next one. It's instead of beach, now it's added next to a poolside. This is incredible for you to think and do these changes, would probably take you really long time, and it would be a creative burnout that we see with creative people all the time. So this is something I'm very proud of. The magic happens in the revisions. If you're editing images, if you're making them better, this Copilot is going to make your life easier if you are a creative director. So check this out at listingoptimization.ai. This is amazing. People who have tested it, they are the only ones who know how powerful this is. And this is available for free users as well. Even like paid users, they get separate benefits as well, but this is also available for free users, so go check that out.